My name is Marilee. I'm retired for 2 years now, and well, I'm kind of a professional grandmother. I watch grandkids quite often, so.
And why did you decide to join the program?
Well, I got to a point where I wasn't feeling energized and just felt overweight and wanted to lose some weight and build some muscle.
What doubts did you have in your mind before joining?
Well, when I first started, I was like 61 years old, and so I thought, well, I didn't know how much I'd be able to do, so I kind of doubted myself in ways and didn't know if I would be able to do all the stuff required of me in a program, but it's worked out well.
And what made you decide to join anyway, even though you had those doubts?
Well, I knew I had to do something. I was feeling it in my joints, everything was stiff in my back, and I just wanted to be able to move and play with the grandkids and keep going. So that kept me going to just work towards my goals.
And how quickly did you start seeing results?
Well, I would say within the first month I was seeing results. I mean, I started to feel better. I was losing some weight, and then, eventually I've been building up muscle, so feeling much better.
And what about some of the long-term results? What kind of successes have you seen?
Well, see, what do I want to say with this long term? It's an ongoing process. You have to stick with it. Knock on wood, I've done good with the workouts, and I haven't missed many of those, but I make them up usually. My eating wise, I did real well for a while, and then I get off the wagon a little bit, but I get back on and start over and keep going, and doing fairly well.
And why does the program work so well for you?
Well, I don't think I do the in-person training with Trevor, and if I didn't do that, I don't know if I would stick with it as well. It just makes me, okay, I'm going to work out and I'm going to do it. And if I had to do it on my own at home, I don't know that I would really do it as well. I mean, I walk besides the workouts 3 times a week, but that's what's really, really kept me going, and knowing I want to do this, so that works.
And how has your life changed since training with me?
It has been really well. I mean, I feel more energetic. I'm still working on the sleep. I'm not a good sleeper. I mean, I wake up in the nights and it's hard for me to fall back to sleep, but I'm working on that, and I just keep pushing forward, and it's done wonders for me. I have to say, I'm proud of it.
And if a friend or family member, somebody you know, is on the fence about joining, what would you tell them?
I would tell them, go for it. I mean, try it. It works. I mean, if you want to lose weight, get better, sleep, nutrition, energize and stuff, it does work, but you have to be able to want to put the work into it. And I would say go for it.
And last one, how is this different than all the other fitness and nutrition training stuff out there?
Well, I'll be honest, I went to Snap Fitness before I ever started working out with Trevor. I didn't have anybody helping me with it, so I would just do things that I felt I needed, but honestly, I wasn't getting enough of the weightlifting part of it, and I would just do certain things that I guess wasn't really what I needed. I needed more reps and things like that. Something that switch it up a little bit, do stuff like I do now for a while, and then Trevor switches my training. So, yeah, that's what I would say.
Good.